Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Yustika Adi Lestari. I'm from class 6A. Today I want to explain about my proposal. The title is An Analysis of Readability Level of Reading Text in the English Textbook entitled Forward on English, Course for Vocational School Student Grade 11, published by Erlangga. So this video is to fulfill of the final test subject seminar in language teaching. So let me explain about the first chapter. The first is about background of the problem. English is a commonly used language among foreign language speakers. Many countries use English as their national language. People usually speak English when they want to interact with other people with different nationalities. Having good ability in English will give people more opportunity to contact other people all over the world and to travel more easily. English is also an important language in our country after our national language, Bahasa Indonesia. The government has made a regulation that English must be taught in school. It has been taught to Indonesian students since elementary schools or even kindergarten. There are 4 language skills that should be mastered in teaching and learning English, namely listening, speaking, writing, and reading. Among those skills, reading is the skills that is learned when people study foreign language in educational institution. As a skill, reading is one of important language skill where students have to read English material for their subject. As stated by Anderson, 1999, reading skill have an important role in the learning process. Pearson and Johnson, 1974, says that difficulties in comprehend the text may vary among readers. It may come from vocabularies, words, phrases, or sentence structure. Halliwell gives the criteria of good presentation in textbook. For the first is the books are interesting and fun. The children can read what they have to do. The third, provide much activities. And the fourth, tasks which are interesting and worthwhile from them, not just language exercise. Moreover, before choosing textbook, teachers have to consider another criteria of a good textbook. The first is content analysis. The content of textbook deal with current curriculum and the student level, including the student's age. The second, grab component, including size book format. And the third, appropriateness of language. And the fourth, the layout of the book. From the previous research, the title is The Readability Level of English Reading Text for Grade 8 student of SMP Negeri 1 Jetis Bantul in the academic year of 2014 or 2015 by Nurani Indah Budiarti. The difference between the research with my research, in the previous research it is for grade 8 of SMP Negeri 1 Jetis Bantul, but my research is for grade 11 of SMK Negeri 8 Bandar Lampung. And in the previous research, it is used quantitative study, but my research it is used qualitative study. For this reason, a textbook that is suitable for the level of the student is needed to serve as a basic in their learning process. For this assumption, the researcher is interested to do descriptive research with the title An Analysis of Readability Level of Reading Text in the English Textbook entitled Forward on English, Course for Vocational School Student Grade 11, published by Erlangga. And then next, identification of the problem. Based on the background of the problem above, The researcher identified the problem as follows. There are some factors affecting a process of teaching reading in the classroom. There are teachers, methods, students, environment, and reading materials. And for the first is teachers. Teachers have significant role in a classroom. Control to the learning process in a class, authority to choose the methods and reading materials, and also manage a good or bad environment in the learning process. And the second, methods. Methods in the process of teaching reading. Methods selected by the teacher can also affect the success of learning. And the third, students. Students are the subject of the learning process. Some of them come from different background, belief, and culture that can affect their attitude in the process of teaching reading, background knowledge, and motivation in the learning process. And the fourth, environment. A good and comfortable classroom environment can also play an important role in contributing the development of the teaching skills. And the last is reading material. The suitable reading material for student proficiency level is related to readability level of the English reading material. And the next, limitation of the problem. This study limits the problem only to the material stated to the readability level of the English reading text. The reading texts under study are the English reading text from a textbook used by the grade 11 student of SMK Negeri 8 Bandar Lampung. It is important to analyze the readability level of the English reading text used by the student. Suitable English reading text for student level can help them to improve their reading comprehension. Next, formulation of the problem. The researcher formulates the problem as follows. For the first, what kind of text contained in the reading passage found in English textbook entitled Forward an English Course for Vocational School Students Grade 11 published by Erlangga? And the second, what is the readability level of reading text material in English textbook entitled Forward an English Course for Vocational School Student Grade 11 published by Erlangga? And then next, use of the research. The first is to know what are the kind of reading text to English textbook entitled Forward an English Course for Vocational School Student Grade 11 published by Erlangga. And the next, to describe the readability level of reading text in English textbook entitled Forward an English Course for Vocational Schools Student Grade 11 published by Erlangga. And then the next, scope of the problem. The first subject of the research is reading in English textbook entitled Forward an English Course for Vocational School Student Grade 11 published by Erlangga. The researchers focus on the reading text. And then the second object of the research is English textbook problem of analyzing the readability level in reading text. And then the third, place of the research at SMK Negeri 8 Bandar Lampung, which located on Imam Bonjol Street number 52, Kemiling Raya, Kecamatan Kemiling, Kota Bandar Lampung, Provinsi Lampung. And then the fourth, time of the research. The researcher do the research on 13 until 22 April 2020. And for the next is chapter 2, review of related literature. Reading. Definition of reading. According to your Kuhart and Ware in grade 2009, reading is a process of receiving and interpreting information encoded in language form via medium of point. According to Koda in grade 2009, reading as comprehension occurs when the reader extracts and integrates various information from the text and combines it with what it already known. Bratnitz in grade 2009 also gives the definition of reading as an interaction between the reader and the writer. DeBoer and Dahlman 2064 state that reading is much more complex process. It involves all of the highest mental process. Stauffer in Petty and Jensen 1980 states that there are some definition of reading. The first, reading is complex sentence. The second, readings mean to get information from the printed page. Third, reading is the ability to pronounce and comprehend the printed words. And the fourth, reading is interpreting signs, letters, or symbols by assigning words. According to Richards and Renandia 2002, says that reading is one of a number of skills courses that supplement a content. Meanwhile, Ibersold and Field 1997 states that reading is what happens when people look at a text and assign meaning to the written symbols in the text. Next, textbook. Definition of textbook. Pamungkas 2010 mentioned that a textbook was one of the many kinds of instructional materials used in learning, and it was usually written, tightly organized, and greatly condensed. According to Hornby 1995, textbook is an instructional use as guidance in the teaching and learning process. According to Ure 1996, textbook is in principle to be followed systematically as the basis for a language course. And next, functional of textbook. According to Thompson, the textbook has many functions. The first, individualization of instruction by enabling them to proceed at their own rate and to limited extent. The second, organization of instruction by providing experience, suggested activities, recommended reading and question. And the third, tutorial contribution helps students learn how to read better, to study, to weigh evidence, and to solve problems. And the last, improvement of teaching, helpful utility which is used by teachers to improve their skills in teaching. Next, the role of textbook. According to Selden, 1988, textbooks are the visible heart of any ELT program. The role of textbook as follows. A resource of presentation materials. B. A resource of activities for learner practice and communicative interaction. C. A reference source for learners on grammar, vocabulary, punctuation, and etc. D. A resource of stimulation and ideas for classroom activities. E. A syllabus which more have been already determined. F. A resource for self-directed learning or self-assessed worth. And G. A support for less experienced teachers who have get to gain in confidence. And next, the advantage of using textbook. There are some advantage. For the first, provide a syllabus for the course, provide security for the students, provide a set of visual activities, reading, and etc. Provide teacher with a basis for assessing students' learning, include supporting materials, provide consistency within a program across a given level if all teachers use the same textbook. Next, text. Definition of text. According to Anderson, 1997, text is words are put together to communicate a meaning. A piece of text is created. According to Gerot, 1995, text is any stretch of language which is held together cohesively through meaning. According to Fries and Joyce, 2006, a text is any stretch of language which is held together cohesively through meaning. Next, types of text. There are some types of text. The first is narrative text, poetic text, dramatic text, recount text, response text, the explanation text, the discussion text, procedure text, information text, and exposition text. Next, we move to the readability. Definition of readability. According to Pekulski 2002, readability is the level of easy or difficult with which text material can be understood by a particular reader who is reading that text for a specific purpose. According to Harris and Hodges, 1985 points out, text and reader variables interact in determining the readability of any piece of material for any individual reader. And then the next is readability formula. According to Folger in Iswatul 2009, there are 4 formula to measure the readability of reading text. One of the formula is flash reading is. According to Chal 1958 and Clare 1963, flash reading is formula become the most widely used formula and one of the most tested and reliable. The flash reading is test is calculated by the following method. Average sentence length is multiplied by 1015 and average number of syllables is multiplied 84.6. These two products are subtracted and the difference is subtracted from 206.835, resulting in score ranging from 0 to 100. 0 score of 100 represent the easiest to read text and a score of 0 represent the most difficult to read text. Scores from 60 to 70 are plain English, readable by the average literature reader. Next, relevant studies. There are several studies about analysis of readability level of English reading text. The first study was conducted by Octaviani 2006. She studied the readability of English reading text used by the grade 6 students of SDN 1 Tambak Rejo, Bojonegoro. The result of the study indicated that 3 reading texts in Happy with English and 4 reading texts in Grow with English textbook are appropriate. The second study was done by Kurniawan 2008. He studied the English worksheet from elementary school. The result of the study indicated that a good match between English textbook and the intended readers will improve communication and learning to bring a maximum result of teaching and learning process. Next, conceptual framework. Reading is a core activity in most courses of study. The purpose of it is to enable you to learn. Reading for study purpose is not merely a matter of passing your eyes over hundreds of words. Next, chapter 3, research methodology. The first, research design. This research is categorized as descriptive qualitative research. According to Airy, descriptive research is study are designed to obtain information concerning the current status phenomenon. According to Creswell, 1994, defines Qualitative research is an inquiry process of understanding based on distinct methodological traditions of inquiry that explore a social or human problems. The study is a descriptive qualitative study which uses content analysis as the method of the study. One of the purposes of this method is to identify bias, prejudice, or propaganda in textbook presentation. And for the next population and sample. There are two populations in the study. The first is grade 11 student from SMK Negeri 8 Bandar Lampung. The total of number the grade 11 students are 368 students divided into 8 class. And the second population is reading text from an English textbook. Next, data collecting techniques. There are some techniques in this study. The first, identify the text or reading text in English textbook. The second, count the number of sentences, words, and syllables each text. Third, count point 2 with the formula of flash reading is formula. And the fourth, determine the grade of readability level of the reading text according to flash reading is formula. And then next, research procedure. For the first, procedures in this study is determining kinds of text from the textbook, analyzing and counting the sentence, words, and syllables in each text, measuring the readability of each text based on flash readability formula. Next, describing and giving further explanation related to the readability. And then the last, determining the grade of each chapter of reading text by comparing the result of the scores to the criteria shown in the readability table. And next, validity of the data. The validity of data are content, construct, and criterion. The first is content, means the tests are developed based on the materials given to the grade 11 student of SMK Negeri 8 Bandar Lampung. The second is construct, based on the extent to which the item test is based. And the third is criterion, to find out correlation between each single item of test. And then next, for the last in chapter 3, technique of data analysis. The first, the researcher analyzes the data using descriptive qualitative method. The second, the researcher calculates and determines the grade level. The third, describing the result and giving explanation. This formula is become the most widely used formula and one of the most tested and reliable. Flash reading is formula which is used applies to analyze. Okay, that's all about the explanation of my proposal today. The conclusion is in this study, in this my research, is to analyze the reading text in the textbook. It is appropriate or not in the student levels or in the student age. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Good morning and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.